everyone, my name is Queenette and I day here with MC Banuso.
What about my people? Kiss and meet me for the first time. I go by the name MC Banuso. They call me the son of comedy. It's Royal Talkative Online Zaddy.
Alright, so we day here for entertainment. Creep. Another matter one break on now. Two Baba matter now one break on now. You know. All of a sudden, we just say two Baba just start to apologize. Say I beg go, what him don't do. Say me they forgive him. Saying don't be. You get one new in use where I know one feel call now. Based on saying don't do some kind things. Say make them leave. Wait. They feel leave her. Be make them back. You get something where kind way talk. Say I've been a shitty father, a shitty husband, you know, shitty baby daddy. I have no excuses. Hey, you just wake up one day. So you made them cancel you. Made them cancel you anyhow. Say I beg you to please just face me and cancel me anyhow. You wake up one morning, start to apologize.
You see, you know why I like Tuface.
Now you like
Tuface. Now be the only artist who I like pass. You know why?
Why?
Now only artists. When they follow the scripture of God inside the Bible, it says, "Go ye into the world and multiply."
It's not serious. Which kind of rubbish they talk?
Go ye into the world and multiply. And Tuface, after all the thing with Tuface, they do say he shit over that blah blah blah. But this man said they come back to his wife. To his wife, say I beg. Like the prodigal son, you go chop for outside. You come and say I beg no vest now. So even the prodigal son, the story I don't hear the story part of the prodigal son. The money when they first give and nourish. That's back. So Tuface, anything way you do, you know, every man, all men cheat. Now inbuilt.
You don't cheat now to them.
All men
you don't cheat this year.
I'm a cheater.
In girlfriend they hear him. He say be cheater.
I'm a cheater. So any man with us say you know they cheat, na lie. Even man of God. Everybody, all men.
They cheat.
They cheat.
According to MC Banuso.
Even for where you go know say cheating don't start tete. No be but that time they call it cheating. Cheating never did that time. Because if no be cheating, how a prophet of God go marry 700 wife, 300 concubine.
No serious.
You don't date. You dey Bible, you know the Bible.
Now you know.
So far say he did that year. If he did now, so it's not a new thing. Maybe Tuface give this one belle.
Based on say they don't come and say he don't go give one banker belle.
No.
Say don't mind making they do like
because
that.
Because now say now celebrity now because people just want tarnish his image or
all the other people don't give belle. It can happen. They want tarnish his image.
It can happen. It dey happen. The money day. Yes. If the money he's a legend, a living legend. So money day.
Make it all they misbehave anyhow.
No, but you know they misbehave.
No, they give.
They give person belle, they deny her. It was say they give the belle, they deny her hair. Or they use because it be celebrity. I give you belle hair. Then go and take it. Go and take care of it yourself. You know they do that one. He's a man. So the money day, it was saying a person will say a broke nigga like me now. I decrease. Oh, I'm going to give this one, but give this, I the mad. Why? Let's say what is that do ritual? I will give like 4 person belle at the creche. Which money I will just take one come out there. Use the money take care of the 3. So even you go the happy say wow, daddy you are doing well. So if a man they do something and he thought say yes I'm doing it and he's taking care of it, so it's good to go.
Anyway, it's not good to go.
Any of the picking, you don't hear say any of the picking no this school.
No. But you can't be hurting one person.
Ooh.
And she said, don't come out. So Koto said, I lie. Her husband not give anybody belle.
Yeah, wow.
I bet make it just remain like that. Make it just be true like that. So. Make you no coming back on here tomorrow. Say, hey, it's such a this. It's or such it don't happen. Now so we won't talk and move. Won't even like that.
Okay.
Tuface, I bet not give anybody belle. I beg. And you don't go through a lot.
You can ride on.
You can.
So far say you know the Aunt Annie.
How you go give another woman belle you know hot Annie?
Why go water? Only one boss is still picky. You know very picky when we say in don't side with God, say God though as I'm going. You know your name when they call Tuface.
Abraham.
Father of many nations.
All right, so they say bye from this angle.
Peace out.